Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Multiverse of Mathematics YouTube channel. Today we are gonna prove the sine hyperbolic x series. Sine hyperbolic x is equal to x plus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus dot 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 infinity. Proof. From the Maclaurin series we get f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x f dash 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash 0 plus x power 4 by 4 factorial f iv 0 plus x power 5 by 5 factorial f v 0 plus dot 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 plus x power n by n factorial f n 0. Now firstly we have to evaluate the value of f of 0 from this Maclaurin series. Now we need to let f of x is equal to sine hyperbolic x. Okay, if we put 0 instead of x in this function, then we get f of 0 is equal to sine hyperbolic 0, which value is 0. So we can write f of 0 is equal to 0. And we know the derivative of sine hyperbolic x is equal to cos hyperbolic x. That's why we have written f dash x is equal to cos hyperbolic x. So if we put 0 instead of x in this equation or in this function, then we get f dash 0 is equal to cos hyperbolic 0, which value is 1. So we can write f dash 0 is equal to 1. These values are quite similar with the circular trigonometric functions. If you ask me how can we get the derivative of these hyperbolic functions, then I will say to solve this problem I will make another video based on the derivative of hyperbolic functions. So you need to follow my channel and wait for the update. Okay, if double dash x is equal to sine hyperbolic x, because the derivative of cos hyperbolic x is equal to sine hyperbolic x. So if we put 0 instead of x in this function, then we get f double dash 0 is equal to sine hyperbolic 0, which value is 0. So we can write f double dash 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, we can write f triple dash x is equal to cos hyperbolic x, because the derivative of sine hyperbolic x is equal to cos hyperbolic x. So we can write f triple dash 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, f ivx is equal to sine hyperbolic x. So f iv0 is equal to 0. F vx is equal to cos hyperbolic x. So f v0 is equal to 1. So we can get some values from the functions. We can get f of 0 is equal to 0, f dash 0 is equal to 1, f double dash 0 is equal to 0, f triple dash 0 is equal to 1, and f of iv 0 is equal to 0, and f of v 0 is equal to 1. Now we need to focus on the Maclaurin series. From the Maclaurin series we get the value of f of 0 is 0, the value of f double dash 0 is 0. So here the value of f double dash 0 becomes 0, and f iv 0 is also 0. So if iv 0 is also 0. So we can know and we can understand that this f of 0 and f double dash 0 and f iv 0 get eliminated because the values of these functions are 0. So and the other functions, the values of other functions are 1. So here from here we can get f dash 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into x is equal to x, and if triple dash 0 is equal to also 1, 1 into x cube by 3 factorial is equal to 1. Again, if v0 is equal to 1, and 1 into x power 5 by 5 factorial becomes 1. So from this analysis we can get f of x is equal to x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus dot 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 x power n by n factorial, oh, plus dot 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 infinity. So lastly, from all the analysis, we can get f of x is equal to x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus x power 9 by 9 factorial plus dot 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 infinity. So finally we can get, or we can write, finally we get the series of f of x. So we can write f of x is equal to x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus dot 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 infinity. Here f of x is equal to sine hyperbolic x. Then we can write if sine hyperbolic x is equal to x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus dot 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 infinity. So that's all for you. If you like this video, then please like my video, subscribe the channel, and comment your opinion. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.